Vivid Performance asks in the Excel subreddit, change viewing date format. Hi, I'm downloading an external CSV file and it has a date column with general text in the month/day/year format. Problem is, my sheet is in the year, month, day, date format and it ruins some formulas. My PC has already defaulted to year, month, date format. Any help appreciated. So the issue this user is running up against is that his data is in an incorrect date format and he wants to convert this to another date format. So let's say how we can help out. So his format is in the following. So we're the 11th month, we are the 21st day, and we are in the year 23. Actually, it's 2023. So this is the format that this user has been presented with, and so he needs to convert this. Now, the best way to go about this, as this is currently considered text, is to use the date formula. So with the date formula, what this does is we input a year, a month, and a day, and it converts it to a proper date format. So we need three different arguments. So the first one is the year. Now, in order to extract the year from the given date, we can use the write function. So what the write function does is we provide it with a piece of text. That's the first argument. And then we say, okay, we want this many characters starting from the right. So in this case, need 4 characters starting from the right. So 1, 2, 3, 4. That's exactly what we are typing in. Then we go to the next argument. That's the month argument. So in this case, that would be the 11 up front. So that's actually the first 2 characters from the left. So you guessed it, we can use the left function for this. Once again, we provide the text and then we say how many characters we want from the left. In this case, 2. All that's left is to provide the day. Now the day is already there, is the 21, but it's in the middle. So we've used a right and a left function. Now we can use a mid function. Now the mid function works a little bit differently. So once again, we provide it with a piece of text, and then we say, starting from which number we want to extract the subtext. So the 21 is actually the 4th and 5th character in this piece of text. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we start with the 4th character, and then we want to take 2 characters because the day always consists out of 2 characters. So we type in a 2 and we close all of our parentheses. So we press enter. And there we go, we have a date. As you can see, this is currently not in the date format that the user was looking for, but this should be easily remedied by changing the date format in the format cells options. And so here we can see this is the format that we're looking for, so year-month-day. So we click on OK, and there we go. That is the correct format, and this should work.